Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to do your custom font on Printful. And is it possible? Well, to tell you, Printful doesn't allow direct font upload, so you need to create the text outside Printful using a design tool. So for example, if you want to create a product right here, you have to search for that specific product to start a design. So let's just say if you prefer to create or custom women's shirt, so you have to look for the specific design right here. Make sure that this one is available to send to your country. Now tap on start designing and this is where you're going to upload your product. Now go to Canva. Okay, I strongly suggest to use Canva. You can use other like Photoshop, Procreate. Now create a new canvas like it should have a transparent background or also not is okay. You can add your design, also your text using your custom font. Okay, here in Canva, you can use the custom font. You can install the font right here, or you can choose from any of the font built in here in your Canva. Create your design, select a specific Canva, change the background, change the font color, even the design if you want. So here, you can export this as PNG. Okay. Now, once you have your design using your font or custom font here on Canva, you can upload this to your Printful. Now, in Printful, there is also a font right here, a text like add text, where you can add a text, but you can choose from the built-in text or font here in Printful. In the text box, you can add a word here or anything that you want and then paste it to your design. Now, if you go to font, then you can also select the font that you want to use here on your design. So aside from using the font in Canva, you can also use the built-in font here in your Printful. So basically that's it. There are tons of fonts here that you can use. Feel free to change, feel free to resize, and basically that's it. So that's how to do your custom font on Printful. Again, you cannot do it inside the Printful. You can use other tools to create that or to do that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.